Greetings from the Georgia State Capitol. Thank you for joining us this week for the GTLA video blog. The 2012 legislative session is moving rather slowly this year. Bills are progressing through both chambers, but probably at a slower rate than has been seen in many, many years. We are, however, working on a number of issues, somewhat behind the scenes, but also with the authors of many bills of importance to you and your practice, and particularly to your clients' rights. A couple of the issues that we want to talk about today include bad faith litigation and legislation relating to those types of claims, as well as a fairly ill-conceived proposal to change the way medical malpractice cases are handled. One of the issues under the bad faith proposal deals with what amount of time insurance companies should have to respond to settlement demands, and what items need to go into the settlement demands to give them sufficient information to address the claims made. Another much more difficult issue is dealing with pending enforceable liens that various healthcare providers may have. We are wrestling with that issue. We have a lot of lawyers working on it with us. If you have ideas on how to address those issues, please get in touch with us. This bill is likely to be introduced next week. There are a number of legislators on both sides of the aisle interested in this issue, but most importantly interested in working with the Georgia Trial Lawyers Association to pass good legislation, but not legislation that's going to harm your clients. The other issue that I wanted to mention to you today is the issue dealing with a change or a proposed change for how medical malpractice cases will be handled. Rather than a patient having their constitutional right to trial by jury, this proposal would require the patient to take their case before an administrative panel of healthcare providers, not exactly an unbiased jury, before whom they would take their claims. Their claims would then be paid according to a fee schedule if they were able to show fault on behalf of the healthcare provider. Not only is this an unconstitutional proposal, but there is no indication that it will make the appropriate positive changes to the system of dealing with medical malpractice cases that its proponents claim it will make. We're working with legislators. To date, we have found no legislators interested in pursuing this legislation, but there is a well-funded effort by a group of healthcare executives from Georgia to pass this legislation both in Florida and Georgia. We will be working hard to prevent that from happening, and we will keep you updated each week as the 2012 session continues. That's all that we want to bring to you from an update standpoint today. There are a couple of clips, though, that we'd like to show you from a number of GTLA members who have come to the state capitol and participated in our Lawyer of the Day program. We encourage you to also come down and participate in the Lawyer of the Day program so that you can be a resource for our state legislators as they consider issues important to your clients and your practice of law. That's all for me today. Thank you for joining us, and we'll look forward to being with you next week on the GTLA video blog.
I'm Tom Weldon. I'm a state house member from Ringgold, Georgia, District 3, and I'm a member of Georgia Trial Lawyers Association, proud member, as a matter of fact. And I want to encourage all Georgia Trial Lawyers Association members to participate in the Lawyer of the Day program. Look forward to seeing you.
Hi, my name is Natalie Woodward. I'm a lawyer in Roswell, Georgia. My firm, Woodward & Stern, practices primarily plaintiff's law. I had an opportunity today to come and spend a day as Lawyer for the Day with the Georgia Trial Lawyers Association. I would encourage anyone who's been thinking about it or considering it to go ahead and take the day off, come down, spend a day. There's opportunity for hands-on time with the legislators, dealing with some of the bills that directly relate to my practice and yours. And I would encourage anyone to just come down and take advantage of it.
Hello, I'm Billy Maddox. I'm a GTLA member. I'm also a state representative from District 127. Just wanted to let you know that I enjoyed the Lawyer of the Day program and would encourage all members to participate.
I'm Tom Holder. I'm a workers' compensation attorney here in Atlanta, and I'm here with GTLA's Lawyer of the Day program. As always, it's been very interesting to come to the legislature, and I certainly encourage all other GTLA members to participate in the program. And I'm pleased to introduce my state senator and a longtime supporter of GTLA, Senator Nan Orrock.
Thank you, Tom. It's great to have you down here today.
But I also want to say that GTLA just plays a critical role year-round. They are the expertise for legislators on matters that are coming before the judiciary, on efforts to weaken access to the courts for our citizens, and I'm very, very appreciative of the role that GTLA plays in the legislative process. We could not do without you, and bringing down lawyers to meet and connect with legislators is the smartest thing you've ever done.